This video shows a demonstrator that was built using Windows Presentation Foundation, WPF. The objectives of the project were to show how Microsoft technologies could be combined with an engaging user experience to deliver an information space that can assist students in forming better connections within their community and find the information that matters to them. Finally, the demonstrator touches on how Microsoft's mapping technology can provide opportunities for richer data overlays and exploration. The scenario is based around Julie, and the next 3 slides outline her persona, goals, and the scenario. Julie signs into her information space to do some work on the group assignment on flood defences in the southwest, which is due next week. It's still relatively early in the day, about 8 o'clock in the morning, and she can see that in her social network there are only a few people online at the moment. During the day, these different communities will populate as more people come online. Her social network consists of a diverse group of people, some of whom she sees regularly in college or in the office. Others are people she works and collaborates with remotely. The visualization of the communities in this way allows her to see at a glance the different people she works with. In the centre of the screen is an area Julie has customized to contain information that she wants instant access to on a daily basis, such as her messages, her recent documents, her tasks, and the ability to add other tools. At the bottom is a space where she can store and view personal items such as photos and notes, which allows her to add some character to her workspace. One of her academic colleagues on the group assignment, Neil Green, has just created a document about Bristol Estuary flood defences behavioural patterns. This triggers the community area to glow red, giving Julie a real-time view of her social network and activity within it. Julie is responsible for providing analytical data to the assignment. She grabs Neil's document as a starting point and drags it into the search box. The wider concept being that search can be done using any information as a start point and not just a keyword. This brings back a set of results that is related to the information contained in Neil's document. Julie is able to customize the way in which she views information. For search activities, she prefers to look at these in a radial panel, with the most relevant results in the centre. There is also a panel on the right with a more typical list view for when she wants to quickly read a text overview of a result. The results are organised into file type and then into segments. Julie likes the radial view because she can easily see how results are connected to each other. In the results, she can see Andy Brown, who is an environmental science tutor at a neighbouring university. By selecting Andy, she can see how he is connected to other results in the result set, and also what his relationship is with those results. She can see he has authored this web page, that he has linked to this RSS feed, and this RSS feed. She can see that the RSS feed is connected with the area that she is researching, so she chooses to select the 2 documents by drawing around them, and as she wants to see this data plotted geospatially, she elects to view them on a map. The broader concept here is that documents that have a geometadata can be visualized on a map. Plotted on the map are the data points representing the weather feeds that Julie selected. Julie is only interested in the Severn Estuary, so clicks to zoom in on her target location. She has already customised the map view for her research by adding plugins from the Met Office and her company, Conduso Hydrographics. She turns them both on, loading a visualisation of weather and tidal patterns for the location and the time based on the data in the original feeds. This concept shows that researchers can take a set of data as a start point, overlay additional data sources, and create richer interrelated views. At the top of the screen, she can access her collections. Collections are spaces that can be used to store any data item or set of data, bookmarks, documents, feeds, and images, and share this with other people in the community. Julie realises that there are possible correlations between the two datasets which warrant further analysis and discussion with the research group and some of her work colleagues. She does not have enough time to do this detailed analysis now, so she clicks to add this dataset to her weather collection, which is associated with her current assignment. The weather collection loads in a grid view, which is her preferred view for collections. She has already shared this collection with the interested members of her community, who will be alerted to her activity in their information spaces. Whilst in the collection view, Julie can view the work contributed by the rest of the group and see that the assignment is reaching completion ahead of the deadline next week.